Assalamu alaikum. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about some common Urdu phrases. So let's start. The first one is easy. Easy is asan. Asan. Then hard is mushkil. Mushkil. Good is acha. Acha. Bad is bura. Bura. Near is nazdeek. Nazdeek. Yes is haan. Haan. Nahi is no, as we know already. Nahi is no. Then to have is rakhna. Rakhna. To use is istemal karna. Istemal karna. Here they made a small sentence. I use. मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. I use. मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. To go is jana. To go is jana. To come is ana. To come is ana. To laugh is hasna. Hasna. To make is banana. Banana. To like is pasand karna. And they made a sentence here, I like. So the translation will be मैं पसंद करता हूँ. I like my pen. मैं अपने कलम को पसंद करता हूँ. I like my car. मैं अपनी गाड़ी को पसंद करता हूँ, etc. To want is चाहना. चाहना. To take is लेना. लेना. To see is देखना. देखना. Far is दूर. Far is दूर. Small is छोटा. छोटा. Big, बड़ा. Beautiful, खूबसूरत. खूबसूरत. Moving down. Ugly is बदसूरत. Hard is मुश्किल. Delicious is मज़ेदार. मज़ेदार. This food is delicious. ये खाना मज़ेदार है. ये खाना मज़ेदार है. Okay. The week is called hafta. Year, saal. Today, aaj. Tomorrow, kal. Tomorrow, kal. Yesterday, kal. Hour, ghanta. Minute, minute. Time, waqt. Waqt. Now the days of the week, as we have learned them before. Monday, Peer. Tuesday, Mangal. Wednesday, Budh. Moving down. Thursday, Jumerat. Friday, Juma. Saturday, Hafta. And Sunday, Itwar. By the way, Saturday and the word week, both of them are called Hafta in Urdu. Okay, let's go to the numbers now. 0 is Sifar. 1, ek. 2, do. 3, teen. 4, char. 5, panch. 6, छः. 7, सात. 8, आठ. 9, नौ. And 10, दस. दस. Now let's look at the pronouns I, मैं. For example, I go, मैं जाता हूँ. You, तुम, तुम. For example, you go, तुम जाते हो. He, वो, वो. So, for example, वो जाता है, he goes. She, वो. This is also the same as he. She, वो. In English, she goes, वो जाती है. So instead of saying वो जाता है, which is for masculine, वो जाती है, feminine term. वो जाती है. Okay. First person plural, we, हम, हम. Third person plural, वो, वो. वो जाते हैं, they go. They go, वो जाते हैं. What, क्या, where, कहाँ. Who, कौन, and stop is रुको. Okay. Moving down. Weird is अजीब. Weird is अजीब. Humble is आजिज. Rude, बदतमीज. Obvious, वाज़े. Fabulous, शानदार. Incredible, नाकाबिले यकीन. Amazing, हैरत अंगेज. Charming, दिलकश. Cheap, सस्ता. Crazy, दीवाना. Unique, मुनफरिद. Hope, उम्मीद. Okay, let's see. Water, पानी. Tea, चाय. Coffee, coffee. Juice, रस. Juice, रस. Chicken, मुर्गी. Fish, मछली. Soup, soup. Salad, salad. Sandwich, sandwich. Pie is pie. Bread, roti. Bread, roti. Dessert, मीठा. Cake is cake. Breakfast, नाश्ता. Lunch, ज़ोराना. Dinner, इशाइया. Salt, नमक. Sugar, शक्कर. And pepper, मिर्च. Then the body parts: head, sar. Hair, बाल. Neck, गर्दन. Chest, सीना. Arm, okay, arm is bazu. Finger, ungli. Foot, bazu is ungli. Foot is पाँव. Face, चेहरा. Eye is आँख. Hand, हाथ. Knee, घुटना. Disease, बीमारी. Allergy is allergy. Fever, बुखार. Pain, दर्द. Medicine, दवा. And pharmacy, दवाखाना. Okay. An aeroplane, not talking about transportation. Aeroplane, हवाई जहाज. Train, रेलगाड़ी. Subway, रेलगाड़ी. Taxi, car, गाड़ी. Bus. Ticket, Restaurant, Hotel. Airport, हवाई अड्डा. Train station, railway station. Market, बाजार. Good evening. शब बखैर. Good night. रात बखैर. Goodbye. अलविदा. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? या तुम कैसे हो? Very well. बहुत बेहतर. Please. बराए मेहरबानी. Thank you. शुक्रिया. What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? My name is. मेरा नाम है. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा या तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Great. ज़बरदस्त. I'm sorry. मुझे अफसोस है. You're welcome. आपको खुशामदीद या तुम्हें खुशामदीद. Excuse me. मुझे माफ़ करो. What time is it? ये कौन सा वक्त है? Can you help me please? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Okay. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson. Khuda Hafiz.